The Vespa GTV is the ultimate expression of a large-frame scooter. Drawing its design inspiration from the fender light installed on the original Vespa 98 cubic centimeters, this scooter combines vintage styling with modern performance. Its 300 cubic centimeters engine can deliver maximum power of 22 HP at 7,500 RPM and maximum torque of 16 ft-lb at 5,000 RPM, ensuring quick throttle response and fantastic performance. Technology. The elegant circular instrument panel is totally digital and is designed for use with Vespa MIA, optional extra, meaning you have access to a host of extra functions. Keyless ignition comes as standard, so that you don't even need to remove the key from your pocket to block, unblock, or start your bike. The same remote opens the seat and includes the handy bike finder function which activates the indicators from a distance. Racing seat. The spacious and comfortable two-tone saddle with its single-seat appearance features sporty orange trim and can be accessorized by a removable cover. Another distinctive hallmark of the Vespa GTV is its two-tone single-seat saddle, exuding a racing aesthetic. The rear section of the saddle is prepared for the addition of a color-matched hardcover, reminiscent of the iconic fairings seen on racing Vespa models. This cover is available as an individual accessory and can be detached if desired. In any configuration, the saddle retains its legal suitability for two-person riding, offering expansive and comfortable seating. The saddle features a technical pattern and is adorned with contrasting orange stitching along the edges. A sporty look. The necktie, with its triple air vents on either side and orange central grills, combines with the fairing to echo the racing spirit that has always been part of the Vespa GTV's DNA. The latest rendition of the Vespa GTV model unfolds under the banner of sportiness, embodying the significant stylistic enhancements debuted within the new GTS lineup. These improvements have been meticulously refined, gracing the Vespa GTV with an even more meticulous attention to detail and an unparalleled standard of construction quality. Design that makes a difference. The latest model takes the most iconic features of the GTV, such as its distinctive exposed tubular handlebar and low headlamp on the front mudguard, and adds elegant high-tech elements that emphasize its innovative character. The single-seat, two-tone saddle, fairing and matte black details are just some of the features that give the Vespa GTV its bold, sporty personality, while the 5-spoke matte black wheel rims and contrasting orange graphics on the side are a nod to the racing world. High-tech features for easy riding. Full LED lighting, totally digital instrumentation and keyless ignition are all designed to make the GTV a practical and easy-to-use bike for everyday use, wrapped up in a modern, elegant style that is recognizable in the blink of an eye. The new Vespa GTV is powered by the gritty 300 HP high-performance engine, single-cylinder, with 4-valve timing, liquid cooling, and electronic fuel injection. Accredited with power of 17.5 kilowatts, 23.8 HP, it is the highest performance engine ever fitted on a Vespa. The most powerful engine in the entire Vespa range, equipped with front and rear disc brakes, state-of-the-art electronics like the ABS and ASR systems, delivers absolute riding pleasure. The 2023 Vespa GTV is available in two colors, Beige Effulgent Opaco and Nero Convinto, and is priced at £6,750. Visit the Vespa website to find out more, and to locate your nearest dealer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.